Would like to shift into the latest news break coming in. Congress President Sonia Gandhi is in Rai Bareli and she has reacted to Narendra Modi's Hawala Wazi comment. Sonia retorts using the counter of Sushma Swaraj and Vasundhara Raje, questions his silence on the Vyapam and Lalit Modi controversy. Let's quickly dip into what exactly Sonia Gandhi said.
What about their case? Right, the Madhya Pradesh case, the foreign minister case, right?
But he talked about Hawala
The chief minister of Rajasthan case. Did he have a word to say about those cases?
I want to cut across to Amir Haq, who was right there at Rai Bareli tracking Sonia Gandhi, where she made that statement. Amir, would you give us details of that statement made by Sonia Gandhi?
Well, Preeti, it makes it absolutely clear because when Sonia Gandhi reacted to PM Modi saying that it's the Hawalebaz people who are actually worried because the government is clamping down heavily on people stacking black money. When she repeated what has been often repeated in Lok Sabha, and especially during the monsoon session by the Congress party there, she again brought back those three cases that have been haunting the BJP government at the center for the last so many months. The Vyapam scandal at the Madhya Pradesh, the Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje Scindia, allegedly helping Lalit Modi. Also the issue of Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj not resigning. All three demands that have been raked up continuously by the Congress party and its allies in Lok Sabha. This was something that was again brought back to the forefront by the Congress president here. So that makes it absolutely clear that the Congress president, as well as the entire top class within the Congress party, is not going to leave these three issues, at least for the time being. That's the agenda perhaps for the Congress party also for future.
All right, what we're going to do is, Amir, we're going to keep coming back to you for more on that story. Meanwhile, let's quickly dip in to what was it that the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, said, to which Sonia Gandhi retorted today.
एक के बाद एक संसद में जो निर्णय हुए हैं और उसमें भी काले धन के खिलाफ जो कठोर कानून बनाया है, उसके कारण जो हवालाबाज है वो परेशान है। हवालाबाज लोगों को पैरों के नीचे धरती खिसकती नजर आ रही है। उनको संकट मंडरा रहा है, दिखाई दे रहा है, और इसलिए ये हवालाबाजों की जमात लोकतंत्र में रुकावटें पैदा करने का प्रयास कर रही है।